I'm flying again. Pupunta ako ng Shanghai, not only for work, but also to visit my older brother. Yes! May kuya po ako. So aside dun sa masama ugali na doktor dito sa Pilipinas, meron pang isa. This is going to be my airport outfit. Nauna pa yung outfit bago mag-pack. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be winter. So, bumili na ako ng mga essentials ko like this hoodie, travel organizer, lotions, moisturizer. If it's cold, it's super drying. Pagod na ako mag-dry. Pwede mo bilhin lahat ngayon, no? I-Gcash mo lang talaga. My 90s self can never. Add to cart, check out Gcash. Add to cart, check out Gcash. Add to cart, check out Gcash. Di na rin ako magdadala ng masyadong cash because apparently, oh my god, you can use Gcash abroad. What? Bakit ngayon ko lang nalaman yun? There's over 80 million merchants in Shanghai na pwedeng gamitan ng Gcash Global Pay QR. Basta accepted yung Alipay Plus as mode of payment. Kayang-kaya. Food and beverage, retail, attractions, so much more. Pag meron kang Gcash, you get low forex. Walang service fees. At the same time, promos and discounts. So imagine, you can use Gcash both here and abroad. Game changer. Pinakakabawas din yun sa preparation, especially if you're traveling a lot. At ang lapit na ng holiday season. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung pwedeng puntahan sa Shanghai. Help me! Hindi ako planner. Sana yung next partner ko maging planner. Should I go here? Oriental Pearl Tower. There's Disney Shanghai? Please help me.